In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Sezzle at checkout. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do to use Sezzle at checkout is to either sign up to Sezzle through their website at www.sezzle.com, or you can just download the app and sign up through there. Regardless of which option you pick, you will need to sign up using a phone number, and once you are in, you will be able to use its services on checkout as long as Sezzle is an available payment option in the store that you are shopping in. When you open up Sezzle, you will be able to input your credentials and set up your account. And like I said, as long as the store offers Sezzle as a payment method, when you select it in the checkout, you will be redirected to the app to complete your purchase. If you do not see Sezzle on checkout, you will not be able to use it to pay later. So what you can do instead is to open up the Sezzle app, as you can see, and look for brands inside of the app. Shop through Sezzle instead, and as long as you select a brand directly through the app, you will be able to pay using the app and the credentials you input. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Sezzle at checkout. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.